In this segment of Ask My Lawyer, I wanted to address the H1B self-employment question. This question comes from Alex from San Francisco. And Alex is asking a few questions. The first question Alex is asking is, what are the requirements for successful self-employment H1B to happen? Well, Alex, as I mentioned in previous videos, the new policy came out in August of 2011, relaxing the rules about employer-employee relationship standard for H1B self-employment. What they're really looking for is some sort of a board of directors in the company that will relieve the H1B employee from taking decisions. If you can show that kind of board and what their activities are and how they are relieving the H1B employee from taking major decisions, it may be possible to set up the company this way for successful H1B self-employment. The second question Alex is asking is whether it's possible, once the H1B is approved, to proceed with the green card application for the same company that actually sponsored the employee's own company. Once again, Alex, this is a good question, still kind of a gray area. The reason it's complicated is because unlike the H1B and this new policy, when you go ahead and file for a green card under the traditional PERM labor certification process, the fact that you are the owner of the company could be an issue. In fact, it is a question on the ETA 9089, and so it's very difficult to know what will happen when Labor Department will find out that you are the owner of the company and you're sponsoring yourself. It may be possible if we convince them, again, using the board, using any documents that could show that there is a clear separation between the employee who is now the owner of the company and he does a technical role in the company, and somebody else in the company who's in charge of hiring and firing and making decisions who's going to work in the company. If you can, answer that balance, it may be possible to still get a green card through a self-employment H1B, but at this point it's very unclear what are the chances of this to succeed. So the third question that Alex is asking is, what are the requirements to keep renewing the H1B visa once I get it approved as a self-employed owner? It's a good question, Alex. The requirements are the same for like any other H1B visa approval. You have to maintain salary requirements. You have to pay the prevailing wage. The company has to maintain good records, being able to grow and maybe hire workers. So it's just the same requirements as like any other H1B company. Final question that Alex is asking, what if the H1B visa gets denied based on self-employment? What are my options? Well, the options are simple. You can file a motion to reopen or appeal the petition if we have enough evidence to show that you had all the requirements to get this visa approved. You still can file a motion to reopen or appeal your case and hopefully get a favorable decision this way. Once again, thank you for sending us your questions, and we look forward to seeing you in the next segment of Ask My Lawyer. Thank you.